Angel?
What are you doing? What are you doing? You gonna sit on the pizza?
She was inspired to write it after reading an article in the New York Times about the simple word like